Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Filecoin targets updates with my custom microset. People complain, so the Filecoin stop deliver something, so they not working on anything new. I just double checked the Twitter, so they post some roadmap for Zone 26. And if you're interested in this project, highly recommend you go and double check this big thread and the post. So I guess the team work on something. I can't say and never say the fundamental somehow affects the price on the chart, because a lot of projects work on the big things during the last 3 years and nothing nothing to show on the charts. All right, so let's work on the only on the local picture. So the global targets, you remember, I'm in Filecoin, so I'm trying to out at the break even, maybe in the profit. Some people, some influencers show that Filecoin will go to the $50 or maybe $100 because the global chart looks like this one. So I'm not sure, just to be honest, about $100. I'm sure about we will reach the 48. 49, so maybe the 54 will be the end of cycle for this token. I don't think so. We're gonna pump to 124 to close the, the favorable gap on a monthly time frame, the full fill. I don't think so, but yes, we are trading now on the 27 block, 27 zone, around the not around. Here's this current yearly open, and let's double check. Oh, now it's not showing us the previous year. All right. So anyway, let's hide the FIB. So zones, I guess everything relevant. So let's work with a local one. I think we already formed the 3 rise pattern, like 1, 2, 3 drops. Now the road will be open to test EMAs. So first of all, it can be the test of 20 EMA. It's $1.82. We can hide, by the way, the opens, because it's no make sense. Just open. It's the first month and the first year. So next one, it's $2.51. All lines are dynamic, you should know. 453, and here's a 200 EMA, 1347. So it's a sweep of the high of March 2024 when we traded around over than $10. That's it. Based on trade on indicator, here was a sell. Now no signal to take profit or to buy. On the daily, what is good here? This was a sell in June, take profit, buy. By the way, the pattern absolutely identical like on ICP. You can open the 2 charts and find out absolutely the same picture. And this is what I don't like, because we didn't close the 50% of the week candle on the Binance. Both of these tokens hold the line exactly. Wow, till penny 38 low by FIB. If you're not sure to buy now or maybe buy later, better sometimes keep the token. So if you're not sure, if you're not have some confidence, so it's good to buy now. Better skip. So we can see once again this move to $1.003. So this is a more than real to see in the in the next few weeks or days. I hope we will not see this move. So it's not necessary, so we always have to come back and close the 50% of the week, but just keep in mind, so this is a maximum pain for the holders. Also, now the sentiment on the market, so we have to crash it down, so it's a bull trap and all of this stuff. People talk about it, even compare the altcoins with the .com bubble. How it can be the .com bubble if in 2021 it was at the top? Here in October 20, or even April 2021. So now it's a top? I don't think so. It's a top, definitely. So now it's more about the total disbelief, total depression in the market. So this is what I can see on the market when I scroll the social. All right, so let's double check with other ADZ direction, guys. Weekly time frame, it's middle, so it's not accumulation or distribution. Daily, we've been here in the accumulation zone. Now I guess we going to test the 200 EMA on the daily to $2.04 and gonna be the top. And after that, the roll will be open over then $5, I guess. And no signal to sell on direction on the daily time frame, so technically it's good. But keep in mind, if you want to buy now, you can buy here and at $1. So average entry will be around $1.20, I guess, 25. And after that, we can pay attention more about the time. Daily, disbelief, hopium, now it's positive in the market, but weekly it's still disbelief. So nobody believe in the market anymore. 12 time frame, if you trade it, and if you catch that bottom with the trade, it's not a mistake to fix some profit, because we already pump like 40%. So even with the second leverage, it could be like 80. So it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit, So I explain again. This is one more negative scenario to see the $1. I don't think so. We will see this one because of timing. So if the spring will be the top of the market, we don't have that much time for the altcoin season. Money power. No money inflow now. On the daily, some money inflow was here December 13, 1st December, weekly time frame. Yes, 1-2 weeks in a row, exactly at the bottom. Some smart money accumulated, $1.58. Nice one. The last one, the last time when we saw the money in, it was here, September 23. We pumped it from $3 to $11.50. So makes sense. So this is the same pattern now. And the monthly, somebody accumulated 3 months in a row. Somebody accumulated in average is like $2. So I guess definitely we will see the Filecoin over than $2 or even the 5. And I hope with my main targets over than 50. Yes, it's kind of looks strange. How it even possible? So this token will go to the 50. But guys, everything is possible. Absolutely. Daily, we come back. So after the exit line, we come back to test the buy line. Buy line at this current moment, it's $1.08. For the value of the Filecoin, it's 81 cents. Take profit line, $2.15. Exit line on the daily, $2.43. Weekly, we so underrated. So here, now we just go and test below the fundamental value. After that, the buy line tests below $2.27. Take profit line, now is around the 100 EMA on... It's 100, yes, 100 EMA on weekly. So it's 452, exit line 511. Monthly, I'm not sure. We have a data for take profit, maybe on a global chart. On a global chart, yes, also, yes, we see this one. For the value of the Filecoin on the monthly, it's 793. Take profit line on the monthly, 21.24. Exit line, 23.88. So I think we will come back soon and retest this downtrend line with the volume and breaking out, test the 100 EMA, maybe with the retest or without the retest, going to the next targets. So guys, honestly now it's more than okay, I'm more than sure to speculate with the Filecoin and be ready to see the test of the buy line again. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because I would show in this video, is right now, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.